Hi guys, welcome to the very first video of this ICD-1 video series. This video is just an intro to the course, so we're not going to be diving deep into any of the topic. I just want to let you know who this course is aimed at, what kind of stuff we'll be covering, and what you can really expect to gain from this course. So this course is mainly for people who are pursuing the ICD-1 qualification. So if you're studying for your ICD-1 exam and you need an additional study aid, then this course is for you. So we will be covering the exam topics in the ICD-1 exam, and the way it works is that each video will cover a different exam topic. But this course is also for people who maybe just want to build on their networking knowledge. So you can, even if you are studying for an exam, you can still go from this course and gain some benefit from it. You can see how networks work, you can see how the technologies work in networks, the different technologies and features and the concepts, and how to actually configure network devices as well. Like I said before, this course will go through the exam topics in the ICD-1 exam, and the way it works is that I'll start from the very basics and go into the more advanced topics. So we'll start with the different devices, what a network is, the cabling types, and we'll go into more advanced topics like VLANs, wireless VLANs, DHCP, NAT, router on a stick. And each video will build on the knowledge present in the previous video. So as an example, I may start with what a network is. We'll talk about like different networks. Then in the videos after that, I may talk about the different networking devices so that we can link those ideas and concepts together. Now, Cisco certifications start at the associate level and you work your way up. The ICD-1 is the prerequisite for every associate level exam and every associate level qualification. So essentially, if you want to do CCNA security, CCNA voice, or CCNA routing and switching, you have to pass the ICD-1 exam first before you can take those other exams. Cisco certifications focus on the different networking technologies and how they work. So it focuses on the concepts and the fundamentals of the different technologies that we have in networking, but it mainly focuses on how to configure those technologies and features on Cisco devices. Now, within the Cisco certification track, there are many different pathways, such as security, voice, routing and switching. And the idea is that each pathway focuses on a different area of the network. So as an example, security obviously focuses on the security of a network. Voice will focus on voice over IP aspect of the network. And routing and switching focuses on how we move data from A to B. So how we connect networks together and how we actually move data through our networks. There are 4 different levels for Cisco certifications: entry, associate, professional and expert. Entry, associate and professional qualifications are valid for 3 years. So if you get your CCNA, you would have to retake that CCNA exam before that 3-year time period, otherwise it becomes invalid. Expert and specialist qualifications last for 2 years, so they have to be retaken every 2 years. So the way it works is that the highest level qualification renews all the qualifications below it and all the qualifications at the same level. So let's say that you have got CCNA security, voice, routing, switching, and after 2 years you take and pass your CCNP routing and switching qualification. That means that not only is your CCNP valid for 3 years, but also all the CCNA exams you have are valid for 3 years. So you don't have to take each exam again. You just have to retake the highest level exam, which will renew all the other exams below it. So like the different levels, so we have CCNT, CCNA, CCNP, CCIE. And so the way it works is that more people are CCNT qualified than CCIE qualified. So a lot of people stop at CCNA. And depending on what kind of job, that's kind of then the kind of amount of knowledge that you really need to have depending on what kind of job you have and how far you want to go in terms of networking. Now, Cisco qualifications, are they worth it? Cisco are widely recognized as a premium qualification because these certifications are extremely hard. Like, you really have to know your stuff before you go for the exam. Now, the argument we have here is vendor-based versus degree-based qualifications. A lot of companies do ask for vendor qualifications that are widely recognized: VMware, Cisco, Juniper, Microsoft, and degree-based qualifications are normally only worth if you want to go into some sort of management position. So this is the end of the video, and this was a short intro to the course, covering like what kind of things we'll be covering, who this course is for. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe and like my channel. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.